Motormouth Jenkins here, welcoming you to our brand new YouTube channel. Hope that you'll come back and see every segment each and every week, and I will share preventative maintenance tips and regularly scheduled maintenance tips for your car. So whether you know a little bit about your car or absolutely nothing, this is the channel just for you, where I share over 35 years of experience as a qualified and licensed service technician with truck and coach, light truck and passenger vehicles. Come back and visit us and tell your friends, and we'll see you each and every week right here in the Car Connection Workshop on YouTube. Hey Car Connection friends, welcome to the Car Connection Workshop. We got a ton of things going on today, and we'd like to thank City Auto Sales and Leasing for making today's video possible for you. Low mileage, pre-owned vehicles at fair prices in the GTA. We're working on the Dodge Ram 1500 today, Hemi 5.7 with the Hemi squeak. Chirp. I call it the kiss of death. But anyways, that's not what we're going to be talking about today. We've got rear brakes. The rear brakes are on it now, and I want to show you follow up on that. We're waiting on a caliper for the front, and then we'll do full front brakes. But I started with the rear brakes because it's a nasty job, and you're going to get an opportunity to see why. So visit City Auto Sales and Leasing on our website at carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com. If you're looking for a pre-owned vehicle, low mileage, well loved, they almost look like new. They really do. And our Earl and Louise Grant, our car people, they have the resources to find a vehicle for you anywhere. So you can save a ton of walking. Let them do the research for you. If they don't have the vehicle you're looking for in stock, they have 20 years of resources to find that specific vehicle for you. They do in-house financing, but also low mileage, well looked after vehicles at fair prices. City Auto Sales and Leasing. Let's go take a look at the parts that I took off so that I could get rear brakes on this Dodge 1500. That's a 2016 with just a little under 260,000 kilometers now. But I want you to see this for a specific reason. That took me 5 hours to put brakes on that truck in the rear. And there's things that you need to know and understand so that you avoid that 5-hour repair, because there's still a lot of money to spend back there. So let's go have a look. I'll explain every single piece and component and proponent so that you fully understand how important it is, even if it's an automatic, to use the park brake. Follow me. We're going into the abyss. There's so many pieces I had to use my bathtub here to put it in. So here's what we're looking at. This is the rear brake system on that 2016 Dodge 1500 4x4. Four-wheel disc brake systems, most of them have the emergency brake inside the backs of the rotors. So what are we looking at here? Well, first of all, let me break it down for you. Look at the condition of these rotors. You're not salvaging that. They're garbage. They're done. Here's the brake pads. You think they got their money's worth? I'd say 260,000 kilometers. This is the first brake job, but it's a bad job. What does that mean? It needs everything. Absolutely everything. Here's a caliper. Rear caliper. Look at how far the piston is out. It is out to its maximum. And when that happens, I can push them back, but they need to move freely. You're going to burn a new set of brakes off the vehicle in less than 6 months. The pistons have come out too far. The bore in the cylinder of the pistons get pitted. They're done. And I think these ones, even the pins, they're done. So it's a case, now you need everything here new. But here's where the big problem comes in. You decide, I have an automatic, I don't need to use emergency brakes. Well, this is what happens when you don't.